Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Gaucho package is not available on Ubuntu-based repository by default, so download the Gaucho from the GitHub by running the following command. Then install by running the next command. Also, you can install it using Snap Manager by running the following commands. When the installation is finished, HS Gaucho Task Manager on Ubuntu by searching Gaucho on the searching bar or just by icon. If you have the two icons, it's because you used the snap method and also install Gaucho by base repository. You have successfully installed Gaucho. If you have any question, leave them in the comments.